Are you looking to treat your sleep apnea? Does your significant other complain about your Cpap? Are you tired of packing and hauling your Cpap when you travel? Are you tired of packing a generator, electrical cords, so that you can camp with your Cpap? Are you tired of cleaning your Cpap hose and Cpap reservoir? Are you intolerant to your Cpap and are simply storing your Cpap? If you answered yes to any of these questions, a sleep appliance may be your answer to your Cpap problems. Sleeping with your significant other is discreet and quiet with a sleep appliance. Instead of placing a mask over your face and running your Cpap's fan for the entire night, discreetly place your sleep appliance in your mouth, nestle up to your significant other, and fall asleep. Traveling with your sleep appliance is light. Shave pounds from your luggage by not taking your Cpap and extension cords. Simply slide the sleep appliance in your pocket and off you go. Camping with a sleep appliance is a breeze. Instead of packing generators, gasoline, electrical cords, and water for your Cpap, simply take your sleep appliance from your pocket, put it in your mouth, and fall asleep. Cleaning your sleep appliance is simple. No need to remove your hose and clean it. No need to remove your water reservoir and clean it. After a good night's sleep, brush your teeth and at the same time, brush your sleep appliance. It's just that simple and it's just that easy. In fact, according to studies published on the Department of Health and Human Services, a sleep appliance is preferred 80% of the time over a Cpap. American Sleep Dentistry and their specialized sleep dentists have fitted tens of thousands of patients with sleep appliances in the comfort of the patient's home. Due to American Sleep Dentistry specializing in sleep dentistry, you can be comfortable knowing that you will receive the best care by a specialist in sleep dentistry. American Sleep Dentistry is a preferred provider with most medical insurances and Medicare. Instead of paying thousands of dollars for your sleep appliance, American Sleep Dentistry bills your medical insurance or Medicare, and you pay little or nothing. The process of being fitted with a custom-fitted sleep appliance in the comfort of your home begins with completing the form below and scheduling a free consultation with one of ASD sleep dentists to see if you're a candidate for a sleep appliance. In 4 easy steps, you're fitted with your sleep appliance in the comfort of your home. First, your medical insurance or Medicare is verified that the cost of your sleep appliance is covered. Once verified that your medical insurance or Medicare covers the cost of your sleep appliance and that you pay little or nothing, a free impression kit is mailed to your house with everything needed to take an impression of your upper and lower teeth. Second, an impression is taken of your teeth. American Sleep Dentistry's telehealth app is downloaded to your phone. Via the telehealth app, a dentist takes an impression of your upper and lower teeth. You then mail your impressions to American Sleep Dentistry's dental lab in a prepaid envelope. Third, your appliance is fabricated. American Sleep Dentistry's dental lab fabricates a custom-fitted and FDA-cleared sleep appliance and mails the sleep appliance to you. Fourth, you're fitted with your sleep appliance. Via the American Sleep Dentistry's telehealth app, one of American Sleep Dentistry's sleep dentists fits you with your sleep appliance. Once again, in the comfort of your home. Have comfort knowing that if you ever need assistance with your sleep appliance, American Sleep Dentistry is just a phone call away to help. Without ever leaving the comfort of your own home, you now have a discreet and comfortable sleep appliance, resulting in a better night's sleep. Because American Sleep Dentistry is a preferred provider with most medical insurances and Medicare, you pay little to nothing. To see if you're a candidate for a sleep appliance, complete the form below and schedule your free sleep consultation.
Hello, my name is Dr. Brown with American Sleep Dentistry. I, along with other dentists at American Sleep Dentistry, have fit thousands of patients with sleep appliances, helping them attain a better night's sleep without the use of a Cpap. To begin this simple process, fill out your name and phone number and click Submit. One of our assistants will arrange a free telehealth appointment with one of America's Sleep Dentistry sleep dentists to verify if you are a candidate for a sleep appliance. Once again, thank you.